Hello, and welcome to our tutorial where I'll show you how to integrate your WordPress website with GrowPress. First, let's head over to the GrowPress website. I'll type growpress.org into the browser and hit enter. On the homepage, you'll see the Start Free Today button. Let's click on that to begin our journey. Now, it's time to set up our GrowPress account. This step is crucial for linking our WordPress site to GrowPress. I'll fill out the registration form with the required information. Follow along as I complete each field. After registering, we'll be directed to the onboarding page where we need to create a workplace. For our demonstration, I'm naming it the Shelby Workplace. A workplace in GrowPress lets you manage multiple websites under one ChatGPT thread, enhancing efficiency and control. Next, we'll add the details of our website. For the friendly name, I'll enter Shelby Website, and for the description, the Shelby website is a vibrant space celebrating the adventures and insights of a rough collie named Shelby, offering tips, reviews, and heartfelt stories for pet enthusiasts. This gives a clear context of our site in ChatGPT. It's time to link our website to GrowPress. I have shelby.pet open in another tab, which I'll now copy and paste here. Don't worry about how the URL appears. Just ensure you're copying the correct one. For integration, we're focusing on the custom manual connection. Let's walk through the manual configuration steps together. Let's start with the WordPress username, which for our example is Shelby Score. It's important to enter it exactly as it appears, including any special characters or underscores. Next, we need to generate an application password within WordPress. Make sure to include any spaces in the password when copying it for accuracy. Before we proceed further, GrowPress conducts a quick verification to ensure all our inputs are correctly set up. This step is crucial for a seamless integration. Now, let's talk about an important decision point in our integration process, setting the credential capabilities. This step determines the level of access our integration will have. Let me explain each option available to us. Read. Selecting this will grant the integration permission to only read content from your website. This is ideal if you want GrowPress to access data without making any changes or publishing new content. Write. Choosing this option allows the integration to publish content to your website, but doesn't permit reading existing content. This setting is useful when your primary goal is content publication, without the need to access or retrieve current site data. Read-write, the most flexible option, combining the permissions of both read and write. It grants the integration the ability to both access existing content and publish new content on your website. This comprehensive access is perfect for full management capabilities, allowing for both retrieval of information and content publication. Once you've decided on the level of access that best suits your needs, simply click on it, and then click on the Link the Website with GrowPress Cloud button to finalize the integration. And there you have it. Shelby website is now seamlessly integrated with GrowPress, and yours should be too. This setup paves the way for a more efficient and direct management experience directly from ChatGPT. Ready to elevate your website management with GrowPress? Our next tutorial is here to show you exactly how to do that with practical steps for managing Shelby.pet. Dive in now to discover the ease and efficiency of integrating your website with the power of ChatGPT.